Hello everyone, this is Manu here from Xiaomi. A big warm welcome to all our Mi fans, our media colleagues and everyone who is watching us live right now. I hope all of you guys are at home and are completely safe. As COVID-19 started, we pledged 15 crore rupees to help fight this disease in the country. I'm happy to share that Xiaomi was the fastest growing smartphone brand across the world. And of course, we were the #1 smartphone brand in the country now for 11 consecutive quarters. In Q1, Xiaomi India had more than 30% market share. This means if there were 3 phones sold in India, 1 out of 3 were Xiaomi phones. The gap between Xiaomi and the #2 brand continues to increase. We are now almost 2x bigger than the second biggest brand in the country. And for this, I must thank all our Mi fans for supporting us, for loving us, and making us who we are today. Thank you so much, guys. As you can see, today we are here at our experience zone in our Mi Home, talking about a new flagship phone launch. And I have with me my 3 other colleagues who are going to talk about multiple products that we are launching today.
Hi everyone, my name is Raghu Reddy and I'm the Chief Business Officer here at Xiaomi India. A big warm welcome to all our Mi fans, media colleagues and everyone else who's joined us on the live stream. Introducing the Mi Box 4K. With the Mi Box 4K, we give you an option to convert your regular TV into a smart TV with access to all the content apps that you love. So how does the Mi Box 4K work? It is super simple. Step 1, connect your TV to the Mi Box using the HDMI cable provided in the box. Step 2, connect to the internet. Step 3, start streaming. That's how simple it is. It comes with your favorite apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube and Disney Plus Hotstar. You also get access to more than 5,000 plus apps and games on the Google Play Store through the Mi Box 4K. So the Mi Box 4K works with any kind of TV that you might have. It works with the HD TVs or a Full HD TV or a 4K TV. The Mi Box 4K comes with HDR10. With the HDR10, you get true to life color and saturation for everything that you watch on your TV. With the Mi Box 4K, you get support for Dolby Audio and the DTS audio codecs straight out of the box. With the Chromecast built in, you can cast from thousands of apps on your phone to the TV. You can also cast from your tablet or laptop straight onto the TV. It's not just a regular Chromecast, but it's actually Chromecast Ultra built in, which means that it'll actually support 4K casting. Another useful feature of the Android TV is the voice search powered by the Google Assistant. With the Google Assistant built into your Mi Box 4K, you can do so much more. You can discover and play content, you can control smart home devices, and you can plan your day and your daily activities with a lot of help from the Google. And I'm happy to share that the Mi Box 4K will be the first Android streaming box that will again get the data saver feature first. All of this is enabled by a 64-bit quad-core processor, a high-performing Mali GPU, 2 GB of DDR3 RAM and an 8 GB of eMMC storage to give you a best-in-class performance. Let's talk about connectivity options on the Mi Box 4K. It comes with an HDMI 2.0 port. It also comes with a USB 2.0 port, which means that you can connect your external hard drives or pen drives to watch your offline content on the Mi Box 4K. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2, which means you can wirelessly connect your speakers or your favorite headphones to the Mi Box 4K. And finally, it also comes with a digital out for you to connect your home theater speakers to the Mi Box 4K. I'm very happy to announce that the Mi Box 4K will be available for an incredible price of Rs 3499 only. It will be available at 12 noon on 11th of May on Mi.com, Flipkart and Mi Homes, and will soon be available across all the other offline stores as well.
Hello everyone, I'm Vinita. Hope you all are safe and practicing social distancing. Today's product is all about freedom from wires. Presenting to you the all-new Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. So although we took a little while to get this product to India, we made sure that our product team is working on perfecting the sound signature that's artfully tuned for Indian market. So in order to deliver a custom tuned professional sound, we ensured we clubbed it with superior hardware. So we added a massive 14.2 mm dynamic driver with titanium composite large diaphragm, which reproduces fuller sound, punchier bass, and a superior sound quality. It's not just the size of the driver. The secret to attaining such superior sound quality is to combine a large diaphragm with thoughtful engineering and high-end audio components. And that's exactly what we have done with this product. When compared to other brands, you will see that Mi True Wireless is a clear winner when it comes to the driver size. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.0, which gives you an ample range of 10 meters. The Mi True Wireless comes with smart dual noise cancelling microphones for an uncompromised call clarity. Talking about long hours, the Mi True Wireless earphones come with a solid battery and quick charging capabilities. You can go up to 14 hours on multiple additional charges with the case and up to 4 hours on a single charge. The Mi True Wireless is optimized with MIUI. So the first time you want to pair it with your Mi phones, all you have to do is open the case and the pairing instruction will pop open on your Mi phone screens. Just with a few clicks, you can connect it seamlessly in no time whatsoever. One of my personal favorite features is the smart in-ear detection and gesture controls. The optical sensor placed within the earphones work magically. To play or pause the music, all you have to do is take them off your ears. To resume, put them back and they will know it all. You can also tap the right earphone twice to play or pause the music or to take calls. It's so convenient that you can also trigger the voice assistant by double tapping the left earpiece. And all this just at a price of 4,499. But hang on, we have a surprise for you all. The Mi True Wireless earphones will be available at a special price of 3,999 from 12th May to 17th May. You can buy them on Mi.com, Amazon, or any of our Mi homes.
Now I know that you guys have been waiting for long enough for the arrival of Mi 10 in India. Mi 10 in India will come in two absolutely mesmerizing colors. The first color which I want to introduce is the coral green, which is inspired by the tropical oceans. The second color which we are introducing today is called the twilight grey. Now it's subtle, it oozes class, and it quickly merges into your lifestyle. The Mi 10 features a gorgeous 6.67-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, which is also industry's most color accurate display. Like I mentioned earlier, the Mi 10 features the brightest display panel which we have ever shipped in the India market, and the peak brightness pushes up to 1120 nits. The display also houses a left-aligned micro dot 20 megapixel front camera module, which never comes in the way when you are watching your favorite content or playing your favorite games. The display also boasts of 90 Hz refresh rate, which is combined with 180 Hz of touch sampling rate to give you a smoother scrolling experience and edge in competitive gaming. Mi 10 is one of the few flagships out there which allow you to shoot 8K videos. It also comes loaded with tons of brand new software features such as color focus mode, portrait video mode, and much more. As you can see here, the 108 megapixel sensor is housed in the middle of the top camera module. It features a large f1.69 aperture, allowing more light to come in with 7p lenses, and is also OIS stabilized. It also features a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with a field of view of 123 degrees and is complemented with a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. At the bottom, you will also find a dual LED flash and a flicker sensor which is built within. The Mi 10 uses a large 1x1.33-inch 108 megapixel sensor as its primary camera, along with a 7p lens system. It is also one of the first few phones to offer 8K video recording. We have also built in a shoot steady mode which combines OIS and EIS to produce some really stabilized footage. With that, you get a completely reworked night mode, a new portrait video mode, a movie mode, along with multiple exposure level controls and focus peaking. Let's quickly talk about performance. Mi 10 in India is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 865 processor, which is built on a 7nm process technology. With the new SoC, Mi 10 is a future-ready device with support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6 out of the box. We have also built in a 3-layer cooling mechanism with vapor chamber liquid cooling, graphite stack and graphene to regulate the CPU temperature for sustained peak performance. Not just that, the flagship SoC is combined with the fastest RAM and storage options to deliver that outstanding performance. Now let's talk about power. The Mi 10 houses one of the biggest batteries when you compare it with the other flagship phones. Mi 10 features 30-watt wire turbocharge with 30-watt charger in the box itself. But what excites me today the most is that we have finally reached a stage where wired and wireless charging have become equally powerful. I'm proud to announce that Mi 10 will feature industry's fastest wireless charging at 30 watts. Now you can also use the Mi 10 to wirelessly charge other wireless charging compatible devices because it features 10-watt reverse wireless charging. Obviously this is Qi compatible, so it works with all your other devices as well. So what you get on the Mi 10 is triple fast charge, 30-watt wired turbocharging with 30-watt charger in the box itself, industry's fastest 30-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse wireless charging, which is Qi compatible. Announcing the arrival of Mi 30-watt wireless charger, which is Qi certified and comes with a fan built within. Please head on to our Mi.com pages to know more about it. To sum it up, Mi 10 is faster than ever with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 and X55 dual-band 5G modem. It also is cooler than ever with 3 solutions coming in together to effectively reduce the CPU temperature by 10.5 degrees Celsius. More power than ever with 4780 mAh of battery and triple fast charge, 30-watt wired, 30-watt wireless and 10-watt reverse wireless charging with 30-watt charger in the box itself. We are introducing X-axis linear vibration motor which simulates the feel of a mechanical keyboard. Not just that, we combined it with 150 different frequencies matched with different use case scenarios to offer a unique haptic feedback every single time. The second important thing which I wanted to touch upon is something which is very close to my heart and which is the audio experience on the Mi 10. To match up to the brilliant display quality which I touched upon, Mi 10 in India will feature stereo speakers. This is an intelligent stereo setup which works along with multiple other sensors to understand the device orientation and switch the speakers automatically. Now this is especially useful for games which utilize dual channel audio like PUBG and many others. We are introducing 5G multi-link on Mi 10. This feature would allow the phone to connect to 3 networks simultaneously, including a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi plus a 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus a 5G or a 4G mobile network. Now this means that the phone will be able to connect to 2 different Wi-Fi networks and use the mobile data at the same time. This feature has been introduced to maintain a stable and consistent smartphone experience. You get 2 variants in the India market, 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage.
So we launched 3 Mi products today. We launched Mi Box 4K, Mi TWS that all of you guys were asking for, and of course we launched our flagship Mi 10. If you look at our global pricing, our China pricing of Mi 10, it's 3,999 RMB. And if you translate this into Indian rupees, it comes out to around 43,000 rupees. And if you add the latest 18% GST on it, it goes way beyond 50,000 rupees. I'm happy to share that we are launching Mi 10 8GB 128 GB variant at only 49,999 rupees, and the 8GB 256 GB variant is being launched at 54,999 rupees.